Critical hardware products are the bedrock of society, impacting many aspects of our lives: healthcare, transport, energy. This represents an immense opportunity for visionary manufacturers to leave their mark. The true innovators are embracing a more open, flexible approach to manufacturing. And they're doing it with ION, a factory operating system for building complex products sooner without sacrificing quality and safety. Conceptualized by ex-SpaceX engineers who understand the nuanced and intense demands of rapid, iterative production, ION is a hyper-flexible software platform that lets you build products your way and removes the shackles of legacy software systems that are holding you back. Accelerate your time to value. Get up and running within weeks without the need for long, drawn-out implementations. Execute at speed. Validate that you have the inventory, machines, and teams ready for the build. Clear the runway and execute on precise step-by-step instructions within an intuitive and elegant interface. Create a living, rich digital thread. Automate your traceability of the whole product lifecycle from prototype to final product. Track who operated on its parts, when it was built, right down to the serial number. Iterate while you build. Gain instant feedback from technicians with suggested changes that are visible in real time, so you can course correct faster, all from one place. Embrace a high level of connectivity with an open API and a host of integrations. You can connect all the tools, systems, machines, and robots across your factory, centralizing your processes and data for fresh, powerful insights. Boost your business intelligence. Leverage real-time aggregated visibility into the factory, inside and out. Surface bottlenecks at key junctures of the process. Identify supply chain issues and address quality concerns. ION enables you to plan, build, analyze, and continuously improve your factory operations, and gives you complete freedom to evolve and scale your factory as you see fit. ION, it's manufacturing unleashed. Book a demo today and discover how you can begin building the products that will power the future.